I'm Kathy,
I'm Anna, and we are Cooking with Mam Talks.
and we are all about cooking and having fun. In fact, we're all about having fun, period.
Yes, we started this channel as a means to reach out to others and share our embracing of life in an honest and relatable format.
And newsflash, we are not professional cooks.
Not at all.
Nope. We're like most people, like you guys, cooking for ourselves, our families, our friends. And our goal is to bring our organic world of fun and food to you.
But most importantly, keeping it real.
So does that mean what you see is what you get?
Absolutely.
We are totally what you see is what you get. Sometimes more than what you would like to see.
Yes.
Okay, well, please join us in our quest and our cooking and come have fun with us because we have a blast.
We post once a week on Fridays. You can find us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.
We're super excited to see our channel grow and welcome you guys to Cooking with Mam Talks. See you soon.
Real soon. Bye.
Bye.